tavern owner showed me how to make the best pork rinds in Minas Gerais. Let's start by adding some black pepper to a small dish, a bit of smoked paprika, and a little salt. Remember, quantity depends on your preference and the amount of meat you're seasoning. I'll be using 1 kg of pork belly, or as it is better known, bacon, and I'll add it on top. Spread it well all over the meat. Now I'll top it with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 12 hours. Guys, I've decided to slice up my bacon and now I'm tying it up using string, making 3 knots. It will look like this. Once that's done, let's remove the excess string and now let's wrap it in aluminum foil. Remember, the shiny side goes on the inside. Alright, let's transfer it to a baking dish. Now just put it in the oven at 180 degrees for at least an hour. After that time, just remove all this aluminum foil. Guys, there are 2 ways to cook this bacon from here. The first one is placed on a grid with very hot oil poured on top to get it in place. This personal process has to be done carefully, but it's easier because it doesn't splatter as much, guys. The only issue with this process is that it doesn't brown on the inside, so if you prefer it that way, you can do it. It's up to your preference. Now comes the preferred part, which is frying directly in the oil. But guys, be very careful, always using a lid and always wait for it to finish splattering before you open it and take the pork rind out. That way it gets crispier and golden brown in the middle, and just take it out, put it on a paper towel and enjoy it. And guys, I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from the poor man in the kitchen. That big hug. See you next time, and thanks.